Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the next topic of superconductivity, that is types of superconductors. So there are two types of superconductors, type 1 superconductor and type 2 superconductor. Let us see what are these types. Do you remember that yesterday's lecture I had discussed that superconductivity can be destroyed. Superconductivity can be destroyed using two factors. One, increasing temperature, and two, increasing magnetic field. So increasing temperature and increasing magnetic field. So if T greater than Tc, superconductivity is lost. If H greater than Hc, again superconductivity is lost. Now forget for the moment about this first factor. Let us concentrate on the second case, destroying superconductivity by increasing external magnetic field. Based on this second case, there are two types that are defined. So let us see these types one by one. So this is a graph of destruction of superconductivity. Let me first explain this kind of graphs. So here on the x-axis you are showing the magnetic field, external applied magnetic field. On the y-axis they are showing the internal magnetization, that is the internal magnetic field. Now at H equal to Hc, now let us define the two types of superconductors. The first type superconductor definition is the superconductor which loses superconductivity in one single step. This type of superconductor is called type 1 superconductor. So for H less than Hc, it is a superconductor. For H greater than Hc, it is a normal conductor. Now the question is, how do you know whether a conductor is superconductor or not? You know that with the help of two factors. First, R equal to 0, that is resistance has to be 0 for a superconductor. Second, Meissner effect, that is the superconductor shows Meissner effect. When we are talking of magnetic field, we are talking of Meissner effect. So before H less than Hc, superconductor shows Meissner effect, that is magnetic field is expelled. This is our superconductor. Now for H greater than Hc, Meissner effect is not shown. So it means before Hc it is a superconductor, after Hc it is a normal conductor. This type of conductor is called type 1 superconductor. Let us now see what is type 2 superconductor. A substance which loses superconductivity in two steps is called type 2 superconductor. So what are these two steps? Let us see. In this there are two types of steps. For H less than Hc, it is a superconductor. Here I will write Hc1. From Hc1 to Hc2, that is I can write H greater than Hc1 less than Hc2. It is a mixed material. I will explain what is mixed material. For H greater than Hc2, it is a normal conductor. Okay, so now you see these two steps. From here to here it is a superconductor, in between it is a mixed state, and after a certain value it is a normal conductor. Okay, now you know the meaning of superconductor? Magnetic field is completely expelled. Okay, you know what is a normal conductor? Magnetic field passes through the material. This is a normal conductor. What happens in between? What is the meaning of mixed state? The meaning of mixed state is that the material allows magnetic field lines to pass only through certain area. Okay, so only through certain area magnetic field lines can pass. So magnetic field lines can pass from this area, from this area, from this area. All other areas magnetic field lines are not allowed. So this state is called mixed state, and in this state resistance is still equal to 0. So these are the two steps: superconductor, normal state, mixed state, and normal conductor. So this is the definition and the difference between the two superconductors.